Welcome to MGI Digital Technology. My name is Victor Abergel and I am the Executive Vice President. Today, 5 French manufacturers decided to create an association, the Label French Tech Club, in order to give the possibility to the industry in the COVID-19 situation to discover their own technology. For that, a virtual exhibition have been set up, the Label French Tech Expo, and during this Label French Tech Expo, MGI will introduce you on a virtual presentation the JETvarnish 3DW roll-to-roll, a digital press dedicated for the embellishment of labels and flexible packaging. Enjoy the presentation, and I tell you, thank you very much and see you soon.